First, clean the mouse using the blue cloth, getting all the grime off the mouse. Then, take a cotton bud and clean the mouse wheel using the cotton bud so that there is no grime left in the mouse wheel, so it doesn't get stuck or there's problems in the future with the mouse wheel. Then take a fresh cotton bud and clean the laser pointer and the red light from underneath the mouse, making sure there's nothing there, but careful in this point because if you damage the laser the mouse won't work. Next, put solvent spray on the blue cloth and clean the mouse over again. Throw the majority of the dirt off the mouse, especially on the bottom where it can get really badly dirty, especially on the touch pads. Next, clean under the buttons using a cotton bud, or you can use a duster to make sure there's nothing under the button that can stop you from using it or could damage the mouse. This is quite awkward depending on the mouse. If the mouse has got easy access buttons that you can maybe take off, then this would be a lot easier, but on this mouse it's hard to get under the buttons. Next, wipe it over again with the cloth to make sure to get the rest of the dirt off, and the mouse is finished.